Hi everyone, and welcome back to our coaching series. Today, we'll be diving into the STAR coaching model, a powerful framework for structuring coaching conversations. What is the STAR coaching model? The STAR coaching model is an acronym that stands for situation, task, action, and result. It provides a structured approach to coaching, allowing for a clear and effective conversation between the coach and the coachee. Situation, S. The first step in the STAR coaching model is situation. This is where the coachee describes the context or background of the issue or goal they are facing. As a coach, your role is to actively listen and ask clarifying questions to fully understand the situation. Task, T. Moving on to task, this step involves defining the specific task or objective that the coachee wants to achieve. It's essential to help the coachee articulate their goal clearly and precisely during this phase. Action, A. Next up is action. Here, the focus is on brainstorming and discussing potential actions or strategies that the coachee can take to address the task or situation at hand. As a coach, you can guide the coachee through exploring various options and potential solutions. Result, R. Finally, we have result. In this phase, the coachee reflects on the potential outcomes of the actions discussed and identifies any potential obstacles or challenges. It's crucial to encourage the coachee to consider the short-term and long-term impact of their chosen actions. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this guide to the STAR coaching model helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coaching tips and techniques. See you in the next video.